Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, can arts be trained? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Training arts is an amazing experience as it allows you to use their skills or capabilities in the right direction to bring desired changes in their behavior. You can train arts to recognize particular odors using their smell of sense, which helps them detect cancer cells. Moreover, they can be used to control the pest population damaging crops by training them through reinforcement learning methods after detecting signals successfully. In addition, this method involves the removal of barriers that can distract movement during training and rewarding them after detecting signals successfully. It is possible to train species of ants that are not dangerous, like bullet or velvet ants, as they are deadly insects, but wood and wavier ants are reported to be trained by people. Moreover, these insects prefer to live in an organized environment, so it is better to keep a few of them together during training sessions. Otherwise, they cannot learn efficiently. It is easy to train ants as you have to make use of their sense of smell, which helps them navigate in the surrounding areas and detect environmental changes. Due to their sense of smell, they can detect odor molecules having slight differences in their chemical structures, making them suitable for accurately identifying signals. Many theories are present in the scientific literature that explain efficient learning methods that can be employed to modulate the behavior of ants. There is a reinforcement learning method that is based on giving rewards for the desired actions or behaviors. For example, you can train ants by offering food as a reward. Moreover, you can encourage them to move in a particular direction by removing all the barriers responsible for changing their movement direction. In positive reinforcement, you have to give a reward by providing a fruit chunk or a sweet candy to the ants when they choose the desired option. In the same way, you can punish them for choosing the wrong option by placing some repellents close to them, like a coffee ground or a cinnamon stick. When you practice the same learning methods for a few days, they get used to a particular signal and follow the specific trial to get the reward. So you can change their behavior by familiarizing them with some specific odor similar to the chemical released by them. Furthermore, they can efficiently recognize cancerous cells within 20 to 30 minutes with the high accuracy. Many people do not know that ants can be trained, as it seems difficult to make them learn about specific signals. It can be astonishing that you can modulate the behavior of these tiny creatures using their sense of smell, but it is possible to induce a particular response. It is reported that a few farmers have trained these insects to control the populations of larger bugs that are responsible for crops loss. Moreover, they have caught and instructed these insects to deal with bigger pests by signaling them to move into the field and attack them. Many larger pests were damaging the cashew nut crops, but they were easily controlled by these trained patrolling insects that killed them efficiently. In addition, they can also detect cancer cells efficiently after a few sessions when they are exposed to cancer cells to recognize their smell. It is a cost-effective and quick method to teach them about the difference between cancerous and non-cancerous cells. Furthermore, they can even replace dogs used for cancer detection, as dogs take more time to get trained and identify the difference. You can also make them learn to take their trash out of the house, as their natural behavior is to throw waste material out of the nest. So it is not difficult to make them familiar with novel odors, but their capability to learn and follow the signals vary in different species. Every ant species has different learning capability and need different time duration to get familiar with signals that are accompanied by rewards. It is challenging to train a large colony based on hundreds of members, so it is better to deal with only 20 to 50 members simultaneously. Their memory can last for almost 48 to 72 hours if they have stored information as short-term memory in the brain. Moreover, the younger ones take more time to recognize the scent of odors, as these are usually less experienced than older ones. In contrast, the old and experienced colony members that have identified various odors in their lifespan can learn quickly. It becomes easier to deal with these older insects than dogs, as they are quick learners and need only 3 to 5 sessions. However, a few species require multiple training sessions that can last for weeks. But it will be a long-term learning, as their brains can store information for longer periods. It is not ideal to train only one ant, as these insects perform better in the form of a group when the tiny brains of multiple insects combine to perform well. Thanks for watching the video.